Let us start CBSE Mathematics Class 10th, Exercise 7.1. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. You see, the first pair of points is 2, 3, 4, 1. Formula for distance is equal to that is root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Here the d is equal to 4 minus 2 square plus 1 minus 3 whole square is equal to root 2 square plus minus 2 whole square, that will be equal to 4 plus 4, that will be equal to 2 root 2. Now the second pair, that is minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. You see the distance again, that is x2 minus x1, that is minus 1 minus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 whole square. So after solving it, you will get root 16 plus 16, and that will be equal to 4 root 2. This will be the answer of the second part. Now proceed to the third part, that is point is AB and minus A minus B. So the distance will be equal to minus A whole square plus minus B whole square. So it will become 2A square, 2A whole square and 2B whole square. After squaring it, you will get 4A square plus 4B square. Take out 4 common and it will be, after that it will become 2 outside of the square root, and in the square root you will get A square plus B square. So the answer will be the 2 root A square B square. Now question number 2. You see, the distance is the question number 2 is to find the distance between the point 0, 0 and 36, 15. You see, the distance is, you have to work out from 0, 0, that is 36 minus 0 whole square plus 15 minus 0 whole square. You will get 36 square plus 15 square whole root. Again, the square root of 1296 plus 225. It will be equal to total root of 1521. Taking the square root, that will be equal to 39. And this will be the answer of question number 2. Now the section 7.2, page 156 of the textbook. We have to work out. You see, from here the individual moved to the east direction, that is 36 kilometer, and after that he moved exact north 15 kilometer. So the town A and town B, the distance we have to tell, the starting point and the finishing point. So we have to tell the distance between the town A and town B. The distance between the town A and town B will be equal to 36 minus 0 whole square plus 15 minus 0 whole square. You will get 36 square plus 15 square. Ultimately solve it, you will get the square of 36 will be equal to 1296 and the square of 15 equal to 225. That will be equal to, after summing it, after adding it, you will get root of 1521, and taking the square root, you will get 39 kilometers. This will be the distance between the town A and town B. Now question number 3, the determine if the points, this means 1, 5, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 11 are the collinear. We have to justify whether these points are collinear or not. See, first of all, we find AB means the distance between A and B, distance between B and C, and distance between C and A. If these points are collinear, at that time AC will be equal to AB plus BC. Let us see. AB is equal to 2 minus 1 root of 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. Solve it, you will get root of 1 square plus 2 square, that will be equal to root 5. Now BC will be equal to, that is minus 2 minus 2. You see, minus 2 minus 2. So minus 2 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 whole square, that will be equal to root of 16 plus 196, and after summing up, after adding it, you will get root of 212, and you will get, that can be expressed into 4 into 53. So the square root of 4 will be the 2. So I have written 2 outside of the square root, and inside the square root I have written 53. Now similarly CA, to work out CA, what we have to do, that minus 2 minus 1, you see, minus 2 minus 1 minus 11 minus 5, minus 11 minus 5. Take the square of all, and after that you take the square root, you will get the square root of 9 plus 256, that will be equal to square root of 265. That can be expressed in the form of 5 root 53. 5 into 53. So again we are just getting that CA is not equal to AB plus BC. Hence the points are not collinear. You can say that these points are not collinear. The second method is that with the help of the area of the triangle, if these points are collinear, the area of the triangle will be 0. So let us find 1 by 2, determinant of 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, minus 2, minus 11, 1. So 1 by 2 as it is here. Take the, work out the determinant values. You see, 1 in bracket, you see the 3 into 1, minus 11 into 1, then minus will become plus here because there is already minus. So 3 plus 11 minus 5. You see, this will be the minus 5. So we have to take the cofactor of it, that is minus 5 in bracket 2 plus 2 plus 1 into 2 into minus 11 minus and minus 2 into 3. Here I have written here. You see, 11 into 2, that will be minus 22, and here it will become plus 6. So solve it, you will get 1 by 2 inside the bracket, you will get 14 minus 20 minus 16. We solve it, 1 by 2 minus 22. After dividing it, you will get minus 11. Now we have to ignore the negative sign because the area cannot be negative. So we will have to take the positive value. So area of the triangle will be equal to 11 square unit. The points are not collinear. It means the area is not 0. Therefore the points are not collinear. The second form of the formula to work out the area of the triangle will be equal to 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Now again here just substitute the value 1 by 2. Inside the bracket you write down 1 into 3 plus 11 plus 2 into inside the bracket minus 11 minus 5 plus minus 2 into inside the bracket write down 5 minus 3. So bracket closed. Now 1 by 2, 14 minus 32 minus 4. Solve it, you will get 1 by 2, 14 minus 36. So 14 minus 36, that will be minus 22 divided by 2. Again you will get minus 11 square unit. Now we have to ignore the negative sign because the area cannot be in negative. So we will take only, that is 11 square unit. Hence these points are not collinear. Means if you are not getting the area of the triangle 0, it means that these points are not collinear. Now question number 4, check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Here let the point A is 5 minus 2, B is 6, 4 and C is 7, minus 2. Now the AB will be equal to 6 minus 5 whole square plus 4 minus 2 whole square. Solve it, you will get square root of 1 square plus 6 square. Again solve it, you see 6 square, that is 36 plus 1, that is 37. So root 37 will be the answer of AB. So similarly for BC also you work out. You see BC means 7 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4. So minus, you see here it is written minus 2 minus 4 whole square. Solve it, you will get 1 square plus 36, that will be equal to 37 root of 37. CA, that is equal to root of 5 minus 7 whole square plus inside the square root in the bracket, inside the bracket minus 2 minus inside the bracket again minus 2 whole square. So you will get minus 2 whole square plus 0 square. Ultimately you will get root of 4, that will be equal to 2. Yes, it is an isosceles triangle because AB is equal to BC. Here you see AB is equal to BC. Root 37, root 37. I have just drawn the figure for it, triangle, that is, you see, ABC is a triangle whose two sides AB is equal to BC and CA is equal to 2. Now proceed to the question number 5. You see there are points A, B, C, D. We have to tell that whether it is a square or not. Let us proceed. Find out the value of AB. This is the point formula. So 6 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. Solve it, you will get root of 9 plus 9, that will be equal to 3 root 2. Now BC, that is 9 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square. That will be equal to 9 plus 9. Again it will be equal to 3 root 2. CD is equal to 6 minus 9 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. So that will be equal to root of 9 plus 9. Again, its value will be 3 root 2. Now dA is equal to root of 3 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. It will be equal to root of 9 plus root of 9 plus 9, that will be equal to 3 root 2. Now we got that all sides are equal, that is equal to 3 root 2. 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 3 root 2 units. Now here you see AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CD, and is equal to DA. Yes, it is a square. But before justifying the square, we have to find out the slope or the angle formed between these 2 points. You see, let us find the slope of AB, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That will be equal to 7 minus 4. You see, for AB, you have to take y2 minus y1. y2 minus AB, that is 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. Solve it, you will get 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. Now the slope of BC, that is 4 minus 7 upon 9 minus 6. You see, BC means 4 minus 7. You see again 4 minus 7. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. That will be equal to minus 3 upon 3. That will be equal to minus 1. Similarly, for the slope of CD, that will be equal to 1 minus 4, means y2 minus y1. That is 1 minus 4 upon x2 minus x1, that is 6 minus 9. Here I have written 1 minus 4 upon 6 minus 9, that will be equal to minus 3 upon minus 3. So minus minus will be cancelled and 3 will be cancelled, that will be equal to 1. Slope of dA is equal to 4 minus 1 upon 3 minus 6. It will be equal to 3 upon minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. This shows that the sides are perpendicular to each other. If we know that the product of the slope of these lines is equal to minus 1, indicate that the sides are perpendicular. Perpendicular means that is the formula for that slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Therefore, it is a square because the angle between these two sides are equal to 90 degree and all the sides are equal. Now proceed to the question number 6. Question number 6 is, you see, there are 4 points, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 3, 0. So we have to put the name of this A, B, C, G. So find out the AB, that will be equal to 1, you see 1 minus minus 1, that will become plus 1 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus minus 2, 0, 0 minus minus 2 whole square. So you will get root of 4 plus 4, that will be equal to 2 root 2. Now again find out the BC. BC means x2 minus x1, that is minus 1 minus 1. Here I have written minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square, that will be equal to root of 4 plus 4, that is equal to again 2 root 2. Now find out the CD, that is equal to minus 3 minus minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square, that will be equal to root of 4 plus 4, again it will be equal to 2 root 2. Now dA, you see the dA means x2 means minus 1 into, sorry, minus 1 minus 3. You see here dA, that is minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus minus 2 minus 0 whole square. You will ultimately will get root of 4 plus 4, that will be equal to 2 root 2. So we got that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Now the slope of AB, that will be equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. You just find it out. It will be equal to 2 by 2, that is 1. The slope of BC, again you find out. See, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, you will get 2 by minus 2, and it will be equal to minus 1. The slope of CD is 0 minus 2 upon minus 3 minus 1. That will be equal to minus 2 minus 2, that will be equal to 1. The slope of DA is equal to minus 2, 0, minus 1, minus inside the bracket minus 3. So minus 2 upon plus 2, that will be equal to again minus 1. Here the product of the slope of mutual sides are equal to minus 1. You see, the product of the slope is equal to minus 1. That proves that the sides are perpendicular to each other. Here we see that all the sides are equal and each angle is equal to 90 degree. Hence it is a square. Now proceed further. Question number 7. Question number 6, second part, that is A, B, C and D. These are the 4 points which is given. The coordinate of these 4 points are given. We have to tell whether it is a quadrilateral or what sort of the quadrilateral is. Whether it is a parallelogram or rectangle or square or trapezium, many things. You see, minus 3 pi 3 1 0 3 minus 1 minus 4. You see, AB is equal to 3 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 5 whole square, that will be equal to 36 plus 16, and it will be equal to, see, after adding it we will get 52. So 14 3 ja 32 52. So 13 4 is 52, taking the root of the 4, that will be equal to 2. So 2 root 13. Similarly for B, you see 0 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square. It will be equal to root of 9 plus 4. Again it will be equal to root 13. Now CD. CD is equal to root of minus 1 minus 0 whole square plus minus 4 minus 3 whole square. After solving it, you will get root of 1 plus 49, that will be equal to root 50. Again, it can be written as 5 root 2. Now dA, that is minus 3 plus 1 whole square plus 5 plus 4 whole square. You will get 4 root of 4 plus 81, that will be equal to root of 85. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. Now proceed to the third part of it, that is A, B, C and D. You see here I have written here A, B, C and D. So 4 5, B is 7 6, C is 4 3, D is 1 2. Now AB is equal to 7 minus 4 whole square plus 6 minus 3 whole square. that will be equal to root of 9 plus 1, that is root 10. Now proceed to the BC. To work out the BC, what you do, that you see the B and C, the coordinate is given, that is 7, 6 and 4, 3. So 4 minus 7 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square, solve it, you will get root of 9 plus 9. CD, that is 1 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square. Ultimately, you will get 9 plus 1, and again it will be equal to root of 10. So DA is equal to root of 4 minus 1 whole square plus B minus, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 whole square. Solve it, you will get 9 plus 9, that will be equal to again 3 root 2. Now you see that we have got, here it has been established that the opposite sides are equal. You see, AB opposite side is CD, that is both are equal, AB and CD are equal. Now similarly BC and AB, these two sides are also equal because they are opposite to each other. Now find out the slope of it, that is 6 minus 5 upon 7 minus 4. That is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is equal to 1 by 3. Now slope of BC, that is 3 minus 6 upon 4 minus 7, that is equal to minus 3 upon minus 3, and it will be equal to 1. Now the slope of CD is equal to 2 minus 3 upon 1 minus 4, again it will be equal to minus 1 upon minus 3. Solve it, you will get 1 by 3. Now find out the slope of DA, that is 5 by 4, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 upon 4 minus 1. Solve it, you will get 3 by 3, that is 1. Again the slope of AB is equal to slope of CD, slope of BC is equal to slope of DA. So once the opposite side slopes are equal, means they are parallel to each other. Secondly, the point, you see the DA, again it is 1. So hence it is proved that the lines opposite sides are equal and the slopes are also opposite side slope. Means the slope of opposite sides are also equal, means they are parallel. In the case of parallel line, the slopes are equal. Now proceed to the question number 7. Find the points on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 minus 5 and minus 2, 9. Any point on the x-axis has ordinate of y coordinates equal to 0. Therefore, the point on x-axis is x0. According to the question, you see x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 5 whole square is equal to x, inside the bracket you write down minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. Now open these brackets, so you will get here x square plus 4 minus 4x. You solve it here, you will get plus 25. Similarly, in the right hand side, you will get x square minus 4x minus 4 plus 4x plus 81. You see, after cancelling the equal quantity or the numbers on the left hand side and right side, if both are equal along with the signs, then only we can cancel each other. So here you see the x square cancel, plus 4 will be cancelled. Now we are left with 8x. After transposing this minus 4x to this side, you will get 8x. That will be equal to 25 minus 81. Transpose this 81 to this side, you will get 25 minus 81. Again, x is equal to minus 56. X is equal to minus 56 by 18. That is equal to minus 7. So the point will be equal to minus 7, 0. Means on y-axis, the point from where these 2 points are equidistant at that time, that point will be equal to minus 7, 0. Now proceed to the question number 8. You see, find the values of y for which the distance between the points P 2 minus 3 and Q 10y is 10 units. This is the PQ, that is 10 minus 2 whole square. PQ is equal to 10 minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square. After solving it, you will get, it is given that it is 10 units. Now, squaring both sides in order to remove the square root sign. So it will become, you will get here 10 minus 2, that will be equal to 8. So square of 8 will be equal to 64. Now square of this, that will be y square plus 9 plus 6y. That is equal to 100. It is given. So y square plus 6y minus 2y, again it will be equal to 0. Y square plus, in bracket write down 9 minus 3y minus 27 equal to 0. So take out y from the first and second term, you will get y outside of the bracket, and inside the bracket you will get y plus 9. Minus 3, take out common from the second and third and fourth term. So minus 3 common, and inside the bracket you will get y plus 9. Now y plus 9 and y plus 9, you can take it out common. So we will get here y plus 9, in the second bracket y minus 3. The product of these should be equal to 0. So y will be equal to minus 9 or y is equal to 3. Points are 10, minus 9, 10, comma 3 only. So proceed to the question number 9. PQ square, that is 0 minus 5 square plus 1 minus 3 whole square is equal to 25 plus 16, that is equal to 41. Similarly, for QR square, it will be equal to 0 minus x whole square plus 1 minus 6 whole square, that will be equal to x square plus 25. According to the question, x square plus 25 should be equal to 41. Therefore, the x square is equal to 41 minus 25. Solve it, you will get 16. So x is equal to plus minus 4. Now QP, the distance between Q and P, is equal to root 41. Here you see, when the distance is given, that is P is equal to 5 minus 3. Second part of it is that R inside the bracket 24 comma 6. So PR is equal to, we have to find out the value of PR. That will be equal to 5 minus 4 whole square plus minus 3 minus 6 whole square. Again you will get here 1 plus root 1 plus 81 whole root, that will be equal to root of 82. This will be your answer for question number 9. Or PR, again you see 5 minus 4 whole square plus minus 3 minus 6 whole square. It will be equal to 81 plus 81, that will be equal to 9 root 2. Now proceed to the question number 10. You see, there are the vertices of the triangles are given. We have to prove that it is an isosceles triangle. You see, x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. So, y minus 6 whole square minus y minus 4 whole square, that will be equal to x plus 3 whole square minus x minus 3 whole square. So, y minus 6 plus y plus minus 7 minus, y minus 6 plus y minus 4, you see a plus b. A square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Here you see y minus 6 plus y minus 4. In the second bracket you will get y minus 6 minus y plus 4. You see this y will be cancelled. Now we got here x plus 3 plus x minus 3 and x plus 3 minus x minus 3. Again that is a plus b into a minus b. So 2y minus 10, see here you will get 2y minus 10 minus 2 is equal to 2x plus 6. Here from here you will get 2x plus 6. So again open it, you will get 2y minus 10 is equal to minus 6x. So 6x plus 2y is equal to 10. 3y plus y is equal to 5. So you can get 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. And this will be the relation of x and y, that is, you see, 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. This will be your required relation between x and y.